Hello, in this lesson, we will be evaluating a quadratic equation by rewriting it in vertex form. Let's begin by identifying our coefficients. We see here that a is 1 and b is 10. So we're going to use h equals negative b over 2a. Let's write that over here. H equals negative b over 2a. Let's fill in our values. A equals 1, B equals 10. Negative B, and we know that B is 10. That's over 2A, so that's 2 times A, which is 1. Negative 10 divided by 2 equals negative 5. Therefore, H equals negative 5. Let's go ahead and circle that to keep track of that. Now, what do you think we have to do next? Well, we have to find k by plugging in x equals h. Let's go ahead and do that. So we'll set this up. So we have k equals, and we have x at negative 5. So that is negative 5 squared plus 10 times negative 5 plus 21. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve this. Set that equal to, we have negative 5 squared, which is 25, plus 10 times negative 5 is negative 50, plus 21. And that is equal to 25 minus 50 is negative 25. Negative 25 plus 21 equals negative 4. Therefore, k is negative 4. Let's circle that as well. And now what we're going to do is write in vertex form. So what do I mean by that? Well, we're going to put h and k into x minus h squared plus k. Let me rewrite that down here. So we have x minus h squared plus k. So let's go ahead and plug in our values. So we have x minus h is negative 5 squared plus k is negative 4. All right, and so we have, when we evaluate that, we have x plus 5 minus 4. That's x plus 5 squared minus 4. Okay, so now our vertex here is, and I will just go ahead and write that here. Vertex is negative 5, negative 4. And our equation, and I'll just write that here, is y equals x plus 5 squared minus 4. That is our final answer. Okay, so in the next problem, we'll use a quadratic to model a real-world word problem about area. So I just want you to keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear algebra lessons right here on Math by TV.